Linguists. All the cysts is in place.
Perfectly.
So if you ask us that who are we call out the duo with the on point cyst.
Hey! Oh!
You didn't feel you understand? That's how we are.
I didn't feel it.
That's how we roll.
The duo with the
on point cyst.
On point cyst. May not try us when we bad now. I not try us.
I will lay over.
Not try.
So now, when the lick lips, they talk. And some based on say we do all right.
Yeah, baby.
So we go on break.
Yeah.
When we come back,
right there,
we go just continue yandy.
Yeah.
Because now we are too much.
Yeah.
We don't really need to shout again.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be right back.
Yeah. Some particular kind of competition. Even judges would not say, "Okay, I don't belong here."
You don't belong here.
You're not supposed to do for you.
No. I'm supposed to invest in you.
Yes, you're supposed to invest in you. Now be this type.
You see, that is what you kind of call a talent.
Talent. Innate talent.
Yes.
It's inside body.
You see, that one is not the type that you acquire.
No. Nobody want they learn.
It's inbuilt.
It's inbuilt somewhere there.
You understand? That is our people. We come from the same village.
Exactly now.
Because people when they come from our village like that, now so we they be.
Yes, no stress.
Now inbuilt, we know they hustle to do it. You know, since we they do our thing, we know they hustle now.
Naturally.
You understand?
Naturally.
You know, somebody asks us, say, Ogbolo, why are we like this? I tell them, I say, look, if we vacate, it's not original.
At all.
But you just say it as it comes, makes it very original.
Jaga.
You understand? So that as they come, we just they talk and they do and you know say it's a body inbuilt something. It's not battery.
Oh no.
You understand? You cannot really remove the battery and change it. It's the type that the battery is inbuilt.
There are some things you cannot just teach anybody.
No,
it comes naturally.
Yeah, we come naturally. So all our East, our on-point East is quite a national phenomenon.
Oh, yarn
it.
Before we come and wound everybody here, the metabolic way of grammatical function things.
Oh God!
Blagger!
You are feeling it.
Oh gee. Don't try it.
This plate is on fire.
Oh, fire.
We can feel the air. The air.
We are hotter than fire.
When I know why that they just tell us something for ear now. We just understand.
You just go big things.
Yeah. So for on top the first gist for people with the residue.
I know, yeah, you really remember. You know, when people want start to do gist, they get different things. Some good like now moves be that.
All right. So back to the first gist one I want to give you. This one concerns people waiting for inside the province of Lagos State. And so if you're there for inside Lagos State, this gist now for you. The new governor now, Amba, it goes as a very Amba.
Governor with the body.
Thank you. Pillock. Oh, wow. High five. All right. So that's governor now. Ambode, you have now designated people. Because people don't complain for inside Lagos State, say the robbery, the case of robbery
for
increase, for hold up, for inside traffic. They think have quite an increase in the merge. And then the go-slow too is now enormous.
Yes.
It's now in a very vast velocity. You understand? So he come put patrol people, make them go investigate what people they talk, if not true or if not the true. They can't talk, say, well, say for now they don't put plenty police people for road. So for now they don't put plenty police people for road and say they go do something about the wall up, the driving, and the robbery and the every. We pray because the way the thing they happen for that Eco Bridge.
Steady. For
Eco Bridge, for our papa, for all those things and all those places, that mile two side, the traffic where they even first stack. People where they go there for night, the traffic where they happen, and not be say people want work out for night, but when roll up, whole for road. I mean, they come from airport yesterday, and at the pass Ikorodu road, they come back island. If you see the traffic where they road, not be say you they go back home. Yes, that was around 6:30.
Wow.
If you see the traffic to come back island, nothing separates us from the people where they come back from island.
You know, just help us for this Lagos now. Maybe just reduce.
It's quite. the pendulum is quite alarming. Sorry.
When we start grammatical explanation.
Sorry.
I'm pretty sure you have come 2 years later. I'm pretty sure you are late today. You are late.
All right, moving on. So we hope they go do something about this.
Maybe they do. Too many people don't they cry inside this robbery thing.
Yes.
Why are you touching your hair plenty?
Because it's making me a little bit uncomfortable.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Anyway, before we know say now Indian people for football they use some kind juju thing until they play football. They say you don't play ball like this bar. Instead of you see football, instead of keeper they see football they come.
Fireball.
And I just see fire they come or head of lion. Just they come. Keeper go don't dodge.
You go wrong. You go off.
The fish score you like 100 to
100-0.
Or 100-0. But now, this same thing. Even though the G's they never to confirm whether not true or not, but already speculation. Nigerians already go and do a jungle justice on top of the whole thing. Not be this Okada man for satellite town for Lagos for here. Okada man just saying just park. See one Indian man your color just park. Now I guys say okay, they go like that Navy town side. See how far they price everything. Now you enter your Okada. Okada man drop am for where he say in bus stop be. As just come down, he can't pay the Okada man more than waiting the Okada guy even ask for. Now Okada self out of say, uncle, thank you very much. Namaste. Uncle, thank you very, very much. Indian man come and walk away. As he walk away now, Okada man come realize say, no more.
He say
brain box no there again. No. He say he can't do
Conjunction
boss, you have missed.
La love your instrument. It's not there.
The swimming tool. He don't work out.
Lobaton.
Now he pursue the Indian man. He say, hey, where the Indian man? Ole, bomb. And they hold the Indian man. Before people go even confirm what happened, whether it happened or not, whether the Indian man move him or not, see breathing. They have to beat the guy. Video for this thing day, but we not go play. But I have pictures beyond this one. But for this particular gist, I possibly they confirm first. Maybe they confirm because the hand of the Indian man not go places.
We know say Nigeria people they like hear those kind of things.
That's justice.
Number one. And then number two, not be even your fellow Nigeria thief your blockers.
Nah, foreigner. He's a mix of a yellow and a black man.
Maybe the wife don't say. The wife don't say. Chene party here. Inipi had Pierre Pisra here. Had a picture. Nigeria. Now he said go and find a chip. Chene Pisra man. Hi, Jibria. Now the man follow go find.
The man go they find. So you know see now Okada man. Now you go okay. No one even good self. But where we did and I'm between the fence. Because according to the gist we hear,
it's not confirmed.
It's not confirmed. Whether the guy really thief him or he not thief him. But any which way. But what me I always talk, we say, Nigerians, I beg me with the hear first. We don't go kill innocent person one day. I beg. You know they hear the gist first before we go ahead to come treat the person mess up. All right? Thank you very much.
All right. So based on our MC's attributes.
Jeez.
No, that's not professional.
I like unprofessional things.
Okay. I don't even know what I was talking. Why you?
Will they go on break now?
Okay. Will they go on break now?
Yeah.
When we show back. Give me food. You used to give me food. You only used to give me milk. Give me food. Leave him.
I was here by my dog that year, Petra. That's so. If my mama did shout to my sister.
What's the name of the dog?
Petra. If my mama did shout for my sister that time. Oh no, Petra had to shout to her own too. Say who they follow you? They talk. Come on, say one place. But dogs, forget. I believe they get soul. I say they talk this thing. I believe that they be the only animal we get soul for body.
Yeah.
Because dogs they cry. Some they laugh sometimes. See this one that they protect in Smalley.
All right, back to Yarn. I'm going to give you this next gist, and this gist not too sweet belly. Because two siblings, them within their house only them, you know, mama go come out to leave children. But not be children like that, because one of the boy now 17 years old. Yes, and the sister now 12 years old. So not be say them be children like that, especially the guy. Not being the guy enter bathroom, say make he go bath. Now in somebody enter inside their house. So one 21-year-old Pedro Sanchez, according to the name, Pedro Sanchez enter inside the house, go meet the 17-year-old boy where in the bath, begin stab him. Now so he stab him to death. Now, when he enter inside the bathroom, they stab the sister, they shout, now he should run, go meet neighbor. And the neighbor where he go meet, that one, na Tyler, na, okay, now, for example, now, Tyler na the name of the 17-year-old boy. Okay. Pedro Sanchez na the name of the guy where they stab person. You understand? Face. Yes. Now, the sister come run, go meet neighbor, say, I beg go, somebody dey inside our house. They fight my brother. You never even begin see the stabbing part. They fight my brother. I tell her, make it stop, make it go. You know, green answer. Now, in that one, na hunter. Now, he grabbing gun. You know, protection. As he enter the house, he just say blood full everywhere. In first instinct, he just shoots. He shoots the guy where they stab the person. The guy died on the spot. As he just shoot and he rush, go carry that, the other guy where they don't stab. But as they do to help him, do to help him, the guy know, you understand? He know to survive. Pure. He know survive him. You understand? And mama come talk say and see the boy get bright future. Now their, you know those that sports where they play for high school. Say the guy now their captain. You understand? Like the guy people like him. The guy get plenty friends. Say you don't know what thing just happen. But I'm not sure they go convict that guy. They don't even talk anything about convicting him because it was self-defense. Now defense. Now you go defend. It was self-defense.
Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, make our eyes shut on top of our children's body. Let's raise them properly in the way that they should go. Okay.
No, but hold on. Sorry. You know, say Apren and I just hear say the two of them been fight before. That 21-year-old they try to bully that one. So now that fight where principal finish, everybody finish. Now he can't extend, come the guy house, come stab.
And I mean say to begin to be continued. Youthful moves. Youthful move. But make every young person beg, gather yourself well, hold yourself well. Not use your own hand, take cause badness for yourself. All right, quickly, this particular one, this one they happen steady, but I will just read the gist because not to get time. 30-year-old graduate Daniel Yosua, police parade, Lagos State Police Command, they parade alongside with other suspects them. And he say, in Wakago, see, begin to happen for an area in the guy house. While I can't happen, some Magbury can't fight around the area. Now he say, okay, make a cuckoo hide for a guy house. You can't hear fights they happen. Next thing, as he come outside, just see one of him guy, blood don't dey in body, they don't beat him one kind. Now he can't run, go police station, say, make go report what's in the happen. As he reach police station, make it tell them, say, see. Then they say, okay, go back. You know, now wait for go back. Go when you go look the whole thing. When you reach there, let us know who they cause begin for that side. Then we go know how far. As he reach there now, one other Agberi wey dey around the corner, when you notice say in don't run, go meet police, report to them, wetin dey happen. Down come the cause wahala with am. From nowhere, wahala wan come start big, all of them come carry themselves go police station. As this police station now, make you come tell them say, okay, now me come report to una before about so. See this one. Now they cause begin for this place. You know go believe say they pack all of them.
Plus the person we call
report to. You see they pack am enter that place inside the cell. They can't put gun for your head. They say, Oga, you must write statements now. Say false statement, now you can't write at the end of the day. To agree, say him be part of the people, then we do bad thing. Say because gun with their head, now you can't. Oh yeah, they write them like that. Say una cause wahala for area. Una cause the wahala. But he say he be graduate. Say no, they do all this kind of wahala. Say from that particular place, they can't carry and go another cell for panty. Make him go stay there for some time. He said, now one policeman at Deyemi, where they are attached to K2 division, now be the mastermind of all the wahala we happen so far. Say, family don't go try to talk to the man, but he say no agree. Say no, that boy there among the full crew. I beg you, my prayer be say, whenever wahala happen, you no go there. Whenever begin happen, you no go there. They no go mistake you for another person. No. Straight bullet don't go see you. Now so one of my mama friend son. Take enter prison, no. Stay there almost 10 years or 12.
The thing be say, apart from all these prayers, amen. And then our police people, whether this gist not true or not, according to investigation, I beg, no they victimize people.
My one no go lie, that thing don't happen before. No, it don't nearly do me before when I did boarding school.
Person go, you know, say people they even fear to carry matter go police station because they go join you.
They go rope you enter the whole thing.
Now wow.
Please.
Give us laugh the laugh, Mbok.
Nigeria police, we love you, but we can do nothing well, I beg. Smiles for our heart before we end the show today.
Thank you so much for watching the show. We love you so much. Paddy from the stables. We they tell you say have a beautiful week. And we go see you again same time tomorrow. Follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Una know our individual Instagram handle at Mayowa Lambe, at Ogbolo, at Wazobia TVNG. Thank you so much. We love you.
We love you. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.